Have you ever heard the age-old saying that you need to find a place where, you can grow within the company and stay there for 30 years? Well, this might be taking a step back here once we start looking at some statistics on why you are going to be gaining more money if you leave your current company. So funny thing, as it turns out, you actually had 3.8% higher growth than those who stayed and saw 3.1% growth and stayed in their same job. Another piece of interesting information is that on Forbes, it says that people who job top got 9.7% annual wage growth as opposed to the people that stayed in their jobs and earned about a 4% increase in pay. So with that being said, there are definitely other reasons to stay at your company besides just pay. There's other differences there that we are going to get into, but we are going to be going over why you will be making more money if you swap your jobs every 1 to 2 years. So starting off, I do want to go over some of the benefits of staying with your current employer. One of them right now is going to be gaining experience because, if you go and try and swap to another job and you don't have the ready experience, you are going to fail at your new job and you're not going to be able to get your old one back. Another one is going to be internal advancement. Some companies are better than others at this, but if there is a way that you are able to advance in the company to your liking, where you are able to stay in that company and then generate a much higher income than you could if you swapped companies, it might be in your best interest to stay. Now, along with staying, some people do like the consistency of having something that is very stable all the time. Now, this is not conducive to the best way to build your wealth because consistency is going to be a bottleneck of wealth production. However, for some people, if it goes in the way of your mental health that you would be sacrificing if you were to try and go get another job for higher pay, then staying with your current company might be for you. Last but not least, some companies do have very good bonuses for staying at the company for extended periods of time. Now, in today's market, these are fewer and far between. So now we're going to be getting into the reasons why you want to swap job. So the stats have proven themselves in the beginning on this. If you do go to another company, you will have a much more likely of a chance to increase the amount of money that you are going to be able to get. So personally, my brother has done this a couple times. He's gone to different companies and worked for them, and he has gotten even as much as a 10% pay increase each time that he has done it. So if you do keep swapping these jobs, you are going to be able to increase your income at a much faster rate as if you stayed with the company. Now, another reason to swap the job is if you just get too comfortable at the one that you are at. In my opinion, comfortability does lead to a bottlenecking of your income. So you get comfortable in a daily routine, even if that daily routine is not something that's going to be conducive to you getting better in your niche. If there is zero room for advancement in your company, you have to get out. You got to go to another one where you're going to be able to get new skills, new sets of values, and you're going to be able to apply them and generate money for that group, which in turn is going to generate you. Staying with the current company also limits your experience that you are going to be able to get within other groups. So it's going to limit your experience to one industry when maybe you want to be a jack of all trades and make yourself a little bit more marketable to multiple companies, and then getting out there, getting multitudes of experience is going to be in your best interest in order to get out and show your feathers. You stay with your company for too long, you're going to be used to working in a specific environment with that. And you might not even know if you went to a different environment that there could be something that's much better for you, like a grass is greener on the other side kind of thing that you never even knew could have happened. You could be, having your whole life thinking this is the best job opportunity, and then you could be going somewhere else and getting a higher paycheck. All right, so that is all from me. If you are thinking about leaving your job for a better pay opportunity, those are the stats for you. It is out there. Go and get it. Please subscribe down below. And if you want to learn how to not go broke by 30, reach out to this video right here. Peace.